Hi, welcome to Binalize Acquire product video series. Collect digital evidence in minutes for free. Before we start, let's go over the features of Binalize Acquire. Acquire is powered by IREC engine, which is specifically designed for collecting evidence. It's completely free and it will be free forever. It's easy to use and does not require installation. In under 10 minutes, it collects digital evidence, including the volatile evidence, such as RAM and page file. Once the acquisition completes, it will create a detailed acquisition report, and there is no limitation on the number of acquisitions. Finally, it comes with a unique feature that protects the collected evidence against any type of modification, including ransomware. Let's see it in action. Acquire is a standalone executable that is only 18 megabytes in size. It does not require installation, and you can save it into your incident response toolkit, or you can download it directly from binalize.com. In order to collect evidence using Acquire, all you need to do is running it, selecting the evidence types by clicking this list, and then choosing the output path. By default, the directory Acquire is executed from will be used as the default output path. Clicking Start will initiate the collectors in parallel. In a few minutes, we'll have all the evidence saved into a new directory in the output path. Once the acquisition completes, we can either click Open Output Folder button and disable Shield that will make case files accessible to other applications, or you can also click Open HTML Report to open the acquisition. Thank you for watching. You can download Binalize Acquire by visiting www.binalize.com/acquire.